Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a disappearing photo or video on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You can send a disappearing photo to others in chat on Instagram. The photo or video is no longer visible to the person that received it after they've viewed the content, unless if you've allowed a replay of it. So first of all, you can open your Instagram. You can tap on the up right corner. Go to your message. Select your friend that you want to send your photo, disappearing photo. Tap on the icon camera icon. Now you can tap on the left button. Choose the photo that you want to send. I will choose this as example. I will choose this photo. Tap on the photo. Before sending the photo or video, tap the icon in the bottom left of your screen. You can see a little replay. Tap on that until you found few ones like this. Now you can send the photo. Now the photo is sent by disappearing mode. I will show you. Let's change to my other account. Let's see. Now I can't see this photo again because the photo is sending by disappearing mode. So that is how to send a disappearing photo on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!